Today's video, as always, is about driving fails, mistakes, how not to drive, and bad drivers. Don't forget the bonus video at the end. This guy hit me and took off. Fortunately, I have a dash cam running at all times, and the state trooper was able to get the plate number from the video footage. His guy changed lanes twice in a row without paying attention to the cars behind him. I honked at him, and he just gave me the finger and started his show. I tried to switch to the left lane to avoid him, but it seems he just lost his mind. I was honestly driving too fast, but anticipated thankfully, and honked, which stopped the car from pulling back more. We would have collided if I didn't honk.
Inadvertently? Not wittingly? That sounds like they are collecting data on U.S. citizens.
Christ, who the
And
fuck
even
is
if
doing
it's
that?
The encounter was much closer than it appears in the video, and it spooked us pretty good. Sedan pulls across multiple lanes to make a left turn.
Hey, y'all.
Two trucks were driving somewhat recklessly, so I kept our distance. But the one in front took to the right lane once the freeway opened up and seemed to speed up. But due to traffic ahead, it started braking too late and tried to avoid, but hit the BMW, which hit the next vehicle and pushed probably into the third. No information on afterwards. I am sharing to try and find and get it to those in the cars involved. This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video. Ooh. And the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments.